This is a Taurus Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus collective bonus reading for the month of October. For your personal reading, kindly send me a direct message. Kamusta mga Taurus? Let's see. Collective energy ng ating mga Taurus, please. Channeling collective energy ng ating mga Taurus. Channeling collective energy ng mga Taurus. Alright. This is a Taurus Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus collective bonus reading for the month of October. Let's see. Ingat sa mga scammers. Ang nag-iisang account ng Mystic Siren ay kay Angeles 11. Any messages galing sa ibang account, hindi po ako yon at hindi ako basta-basta magdo-door to door sa inyo. Okay? If you're ready to have your personal reading, just send me a direct message. Taurus. Someone is not ready to commit. Someone is not ready to love. Kaya, the other person feels like lahat ng kanyang pagmamahal ay hindi nasuklian. Again, barya lang sa umaga. Hindi pa tapos ang connection na to, but this is like a painful situation because someone feels unloved, unrequited, pero nananahimik because sabi niya, ayaw niya ng gulo, ayaw niya ng away. Someone is not ready to commit because marami pa siyang inaayo sa kaperahan, kabuhayan. But I feel the masculine, this is more about the masculine side. Sabi niya, sige, makikipag-agree siya kay feminine na antayin siya kapag naging ready siya because marami pa siyang inaayo sa kaperahan, kabuhayan. Sabi ni feminine, she feels so broken-hearted na sana naging honest na lang si masculine kung hindi naman siya ready, kung paghihintayin lang siya. Because the feminine feels like parang ang daya naman. Nung umpisa, grabe kong manligaw. Nung umpisa, grabing magbigay ng pangako na ibibigay lahat to, tutuparin to, na ready, na grabing mag-pursue, na grabe yung time. And then the moment na parang na-win na si feminine, parang biglang bumaba yung energy, okay, na parang hindi na masyadong maramdaman ni feminine ang commitment ni masculine. Pero sabi ni feminine, sige, tuloy lang, move forward ang relationship na to, ayusin, especially kung may involved na bata. Sabi ni feminine, no, love naman niya si masculine at kumbaga tina-treasure niya yung mga happy moments together, okay? For some of you, this is the Justice card is pangako ng pag-ibig. Sinusubukan naman, okay, kahit busy si masculine, pinipilit naman bigyan ng time, na magkaroon ng stability, na magkasundo, na for some of you, parang LDR nga, na nagta-travel pa, galing probinsya, or it's like tatawagan, bibigyan ng enough time. Kumbaga, ang nakikita ko dito is best effort naman. Kaya lang, the other one is more ready than, I feel the feminine is more ready to commit than the masculine. Kaya nakukulangan si feminine sa effort and readiness ni masculine. Hindi ine-expect na, okay, nagkakaroon kayo ng like getting to know, no matter kung gaano na kayo katagal, magkakilala, it feels like habang umaandar ang panahon, ang araw, ang taon, mas nakikilala niyo yung isa't isa. Or it's like, alam mo yun, yung habang umaandar ang araw, di ba parang naiiba tayo, so yung adjustment patuloy pa rin. And meron kayong mga nadidiscover na ugali ng bawat isa na kailangan yung pag-adjustan continuously. Okay? Marami din ditong tampuhan, unacceptable behavior that it feels like hindi na pag-uusapan na mabuti, hindi na fi-fix. Nagpapakiramdaman, pero pareho naman kayong nagbibigay ng effort sa relationship na to kahit minsan parang ang labo ng relasyon na hindi mo alam kung saan papunta. Okay. For mental clarity and stronger connection with your intuition, the purple crystal, amethyst. Okay? Para sa harmony ng relationship na to heal your heart chakra, Madagascar Rose Quartz, the pink crystal. Okay? Lahat ng crystals natin, authentic, cleanse, and blessed by the enlightened guide. Okay. Manifesting abundance, the happy and abundant crystal, citrine. Okay. Nag-start ang relationship na to na parang kinilala nyo naman yung isa't isa, binalabalanse, kumbaga may chemistry ba, magkasundo ba, And then, nung na-feel nyo na parang, ay, click naman pala, you took a leap of faith. Okay? But I feel, kahit sinubukan nyong tansyahin, kung click ba kayo o may chemistry kayo sa isa't isa, naging mabilis pa rin ang pagsugod nyo sa relationship na to. Kaya eventually, alam mo yon, over time, nare-realize nyo na parang iba pala yung chemistry na nag-click, ang saya, pero iba pala na makilala mo rin yung ugly side ng person because especially sa side ng masculine, very stubborn, okay? Marami ring pangako, plano na na-delay ng na-delay at ngayon parang nagkakaroon na ng tampuhan. Prayers and manifestation sa side ng masculine. Humihingi ng guidance ang masculine kung tamang tao na ba to yung feminine that he's dealing with. Because meron pa siyang isang feminine na nasa isip niya. Nasaktan ka, masculine, ng babae na to because in the past, nakita mo na siya na long term, pero I don't know kung ano yung hindi pagkakasunduan, but nasaktan nyo ang isa't isa. Now, the masculine is dealing with a new feminine right now. Ngayon, hindi pa over si masculine sa connection na to about someone from the past. Dear Ate Charo, right now, sabi ng ating mga Taurus, focus sa pangarap, focus sa mga bagay-bagay na magbibigay ng mga bagay na magaganda. You might be dealing with an Aqua, Libra, Gemini. You might be also dealing with a Leo, Aries, Scorpio. No. Leo, Aries, Sag. But very strong yung feelings mo with an Aquarian energy kasi nakikita mo tong tao na to, masculine, may nakikita kang wish fulfillment energy sa babae na to. The feminine in this connection. Take it how it resonates because may multiple energies sa connection na to. Okay. The feminine in this connection, nag-iisip siya, is this all about passion? Is the masculine ready to, kumbaga ramdam ni feminine in this connection na hindi ready si masculine to fully commit. Pero alam niya that this connection is very passionate. Okay? Ngayon, nag-iisip ang ating mga Taurus kung long-term ba to or is it just another whirlwind romance? Until the end of the year, the feminine and masculine in this connection, I feel bibigyan nyo naman ang effort ang connection na to, but I don't know, bakit may little white lies? Probably because of the unreadiness. Kapag nag-usap, ready ka ba? Sure ka ba sa akin? Ako ba talaga gusto mo? The answer is always yes. Pero ang totoo, sa puso na kung sino man yung may doubt sa connection na to is hindi niya alam. Okay? Maaaring magdala ng conflict itong confusion na to. Because someone, especially sa side ng masculine, the masculine is trying to buy his time. And sa proseso na hindi siya sigurado, sinasabi niya sa feminine na sure ako sa'yo, love kita, mag-stay ako, ayusin natin to, may future tayo together. Okay? But, kung ano man yung sinasabi ni masculine na yon, it's just his ticket. Okay? Or free pass to buy his time. Ang totoo, hindi pa siya sigurado. May internal conflict pa si masculine. Pinapakiramdaman din ni masculine yung feminine sa connection na to kung eto na ba talaga ang gusto niyang person. Eto ba yung long term, click ba sa ugali, pasado ba sa, test drive, the passionate connection. Pero habang hindi siya decided, gusto niyang magstay si feminine and that's so unfair. Okay. Naguguluhan si masculine here, especially kung if the masculine is dealing with isang feminine na nagkaroon na siya ng anak. If not, tinitimbang ni masculine, sino ba sa options niya ang mas masayang kasama? Sino ba yung kasama niya sa pangarap, building an empire, positive transformation? Gusto lang maging honest ni masculine sa sarili niya kung sino ang gusto niya. But the masculine being honest sa sarili niya by trying to buy his time na hindi niya pa alam right now, may little white lie siya sa feminine that he's dealing with right now because nangangako siya ng future pero hindi naman siya talaga sigurado. Inisip niya kung kanino ba siya magbibuild ng life na may power couple energy. At sa proseso na yon, pinaghihintay niya si feminine. Napaka-complicated ng sitwasyon na to. Because ito yung sinasabi nila, the masculine most of the time doesn't marry the love of their life. They marry the feminine na kasama nila by the time when he's ready. Kaya most of the time, meron silang the one that got away. And that would really and deeply hurt the feminine na kasama niya because the feminine is thinking na siya yung dream relationship ni masculine. But ang totoo, there's like the one that got away energy here for the masculine. And he's still having a nostalgic feeling dun sa mga pangako at pangarap na binild nila in the past. But I feel, wala na na parang nagkasakitan na sila, the feminine sa past ng masculine sa connection na to. Now, the masculine is just making sure if the feminine in this connection, kung eto na ba talaga yung someone that he could build an empire and like maging companion na in the future. May energy din dito na parang gusto lang ma-feel the masculine na ready na talaga siya to commit. Ibig sabihin, inisip niya kung sawa na ba siya sa options. And if yes, then kung sino yung kasama niya right now, yun na yung pipiliin niyang kasama. Because the reality, there is the one that got away. Sino kumanta nun? So that would be the Taurus reading for bonus reading for the month of October. See you again in a few days for your November reading. And sana hindi na lang maging malalim yung pain because the masculine is choosing a feminine because ito yung available sa kanya right now. But may laman pa rin ang puso ng masculine na someone from the past. Your life, and kumbaga kung ano yung dinil na card sa'yo ni Universe, play it well. And that would be the Taurus bonus reading for the month of October. See you again in a few days for your November reading. Bye-bye, Taurus!